Hello kids! Our subject for today is English 3, Quarter 3, and we are now on week 5. Our topic is about long A, E, I, O, and U sounds. In reading, understanding how to read words is necessary. In the first quarter, you studied the short vowel sounds using the consonant-vowel-consonant or the CVC pattern. This quarter, you will study the long vowel sounds. Long vowels refer to the pronunciation of vowel sounds which is the same as letter names as in A, E, I, O, and U. The ways the letter names of the vowels above are pronounced are known as the long vowel sounds. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to read words with long A, I, O, and U sounds or ending in E, and read phrases, sentences, stories, and or poems consisting of long A, E, I, O, and U sounds. Let us read the examples below. We have cake, bee, bike, nose, cube, lake, tree, kite, home, tube. The words above are examples of words with long vowel sounds that end in E. They are long vowels considering that the vowel sounds of each word are read similar to how the letter names of the vowels are read. Let us try learning task number 1. Match the pictures in column A with their appropriate names in column B. Write the letters of your answers in your notebook. For column A, number 1, is it A, note, B, tree, C, duke, D, hide, or E, play? The answer is letter E. Number 2, is it A, note, B, tree, C, duke, D, hide, or E, play? Answer is letter B. Number 3, is it A, note, B, tree, C, duke, D, hide, or E, play? The answer is letter D, hide. For number 4, is it A, note, B, tree, C, duke, D, hide, or E, play? And the correct answer, letter A. It is A, note. For number 5, is it A, note, B, tree, C, duke, D, hide, or E, play? And the answer, letter C. What do we mean by long vowel sounds? Long vowel sounds refer to the pronunciation of sounds of vowels which is the same as their letter names. Examples, for long A, we have gate, sake, fame, make, lake, lane, fake, bake, and cane. For long E, we have free, sit, leaf, see, beat, keep, be, seen, and jeep. For long I, we have bite, like, life, sight, mic, knife, kite, bike, and nine. For long O, we have hope, road, hole, coop, slope, mole, rope, road, and road. For long U, we have huge, cue, cure, use, fuse, excuse, cute, tune, and muse. Let us try now learning task number 2. Read the words below, then identify the long vowel sound A, E, I, O, or U in each word. Write your answers in your notebook. Example, need. Answer is long E. Number 1, mute. long U. Number 2, heel, long E. Number 3, sake, long A. Number 4, time, long I. Number 5, cure, long U. Number 6, bake, long A. 7, boat, long O. Number 8, meal, long E. Number 9, joke, long O. Number 10, bind, long I. For learning task number 3, read the poem, then identify the long vowel sound A, I, O, or U in each underlined word. Write your answers in your notebook. Carla bakes sweet cake and pastries. There are also biscuits and bread. Bakes, long A. Sweet, long E. Cake, long A. And pastries, long A. Baking them makes her happy and fine, removing the sadness in her life. Makes, it's a long A. Fine, long I. And life, long I. For learning task number 4, read the statements below, then identify the long vowel sound A, E, I, O, or U in each underlined word. Write your answers in your notebook. Number 1, smiling at me, long I. Number 2, hoping to meet you, long E. Number 3, huge part, long U. Number 4, digging the hole, long O. Number 5, reading the text, long E. Number 6, Arnold put the vase on the table. It's a long A. Number 7, my mother loves red roses, long O. Number 8, you should draw vertical and horizontal lines, long I. Number 9, jumping rope is our favorite game. It's a long O. Number 10, Andres used to climb that old tree, long U. In your notebook, complete the sentence by selecting your answers from the choices below. We have names and vowel. Long vowel sounds refer to pronunciation of sounds of vowels which is the same as their names. Okay, I hope you learned something from our lesson. Our reference is Pivot for A English 3 Learners Material, Quarter 3, Week 5. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone.